Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost forecast interest you? For the vast majority, the solution to this question will be yes. Since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a ton of fame among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars Elon or not. The history of meme coins. Image coins are digital forms of money aligned with specific subjects, frequently humor and fun instead of specialized items and administrations. It very well may be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars Elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor absent any trace of essentials. Image coins don't serve certifiable use and have no functional utility like other digital currencies. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are portrayed by low worth and high course. A large portion of the Dogelon Mars Elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small part of pennies. In light of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars Elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a digital currency with the subject Doge image. Kabusu-K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital currencies, yet the fame of Dogelon Mars Elon has at last expanded. Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no legitimate consuming timetable and component for Dogelon Mars Elon, so for $1, you can buy a huge number of Dogelon Mars Elon. Outline of Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars is a relatively new image coin, which is a fork of Dogecoin. Dogecoin portrays itself as an interplanetary cash. The subject is characterized as mankind turns into a multi-planetary animal types and send-off of the coin as a mission to Mars. There is a tomfoolery character behind each image token, so it is right here, Dogelon, a space apparatus wearing K9, Dogelon Mars itself alluded to as an intergalactic cache. The name Dogelon came after the capital city of Mars and is articulated as Dogelon. Dogelon Mars is a general money for individuals. That's what Dogelon Mars guarantees, not at all like other image tokens. Dogelon Mars will continually be getting to the next level. An animation K9 in a spacesuit thinking of his story is the wonderful portrayal of Dogelon Mars on its site. What makes Elon novel? Dogelon Mars, as expressed above, depends on a K9 topic, utilizes a diverting entertaining story of Dogelon, and is completely founded on dream. There are different brief tales set up on the site of Dogelon that regard the coin continuing on his undertakings to Mars, where he experiences more companions. The thought is to investigate the greatest riddles of the universe and endeavor to recolonize the planet with his different companions. Dogelon Mars technical analysis. The eccentricism of Dogelon Mars Elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the digital currency market. Thus, giving a precise Dogelon Mars price gauge is very troublesome. Verifiable information of Elon cost shows, the section Dogelon Mars cost was around $0.000000078. Not long after posting, the Elon cost has moved to $0.0000041, yet later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0.000000015. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0.0000022. Dogelon Mars Elon cost beat the cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021. The Dogelon Mars Elon cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the main day of the month. Similar to our expectation, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars Elon is around $0.00001438. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0.00000936, with a complete market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The coursing supply is 552,955,726,479,823 Elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars specialized investigation shows that the Elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0.00000056 and wound up at $0.00002670, which was the most exorbitant cost of the token. 29th, 30th, 31st of October 2021 has shaped the most elevated candle with the gigantic backing of volume. In the span of 3 days, Elon cost has moved from $0.00000771 to $0.00002675, upheld by colossal volume. In no less than a month, a small bunch returned for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then bears began pulling back the Elon cost, which made a dive to $0.00001213. Presently, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive pattern soon. Elon cost took support at $0.000009. The ongoing cost is gradually bobbing from this level, yet in the event that Dogelon Mars cost today neglect to keep force in current move, it is normal to take the following help at $0.00000008. Any fall underneath this will be a sell Dogelon Mars signal, and most help levels set at $0.00000006. The significant help is put at $0.00000005. On the upper side, the closest opposition is put at $0.000011. Elon value needs to break the level to test $0.00000012. As per our example.